Hello!
Hi guys!
We're having fun! Yeah, with my two grandchildren. This is Mia and this is
My
Isa.
sister's so crazy. My sister's so crazy. So guys, I'm gonna go under this water and then you will see how
You watch her. She's good. Woo!
Ta-da! I know it's hard, but you have to try your best to do it. Right? And then I'm gonna go back now, guys.
Oh, watch her. Woo! Good job. She's so good.
Yes, I am. I'm paddling.
Inaalis ka niya. Pero pag nag-aano siya, binabalik ka. Wow.
So,
Gusto mo dito? Suot mo dito.
we're gonna ride on that boat. And then we'll see how we're gonna
Oh, here you go.
Mommy Lola! Yeah. Show it. Show the camera. We're on the thing.
Mia,
Jump.
Jump, dali, jump. Jump.
Lola! Mommy Lola! Send me around. Send me around. Beep beep. Come on, go in.
Baba na, baba.
No,
Baba.
no, Baba.
You baba. Baba.
Guys, this is not very easy because this was me. I'm just gonna go down.
Hindi yan.
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo. Yun. Daddy lang yun.
Lala, we're doing a show.
We're doing a show. What show?
bulok na bare?
Ginamit kanina. Nagwiwiwi. Yan, yan.
Mommy, Lala!
What?
Let me hold me quick. Fine. Yeah, guys.
Is the water cold?
No, it's very
It's hot?
tricky.
Warm?
So, I'm okay. Dada.
Good? You're enjoying? Huh? Is it good?
Lola, can you get Mommy Lola's here?
Wag na po.
Can you get Mommy Lola's?
Wag na. Malapit na tayong mag-out. Okay.
Can you get? Oh, I want you to guys to see underwater.
Sabi kay Lolo.
Where's Nanang? Where's Nanang tata?
No, no, I want you to put the goggles on.
Dati ko rin mga yan pinatukuha niya.
Ang alin ka?
Mommy
Yung
Lola's
ginagamit ko.
goggles. So you will see, guys. We're gonna
Apo,
go
dito ka.
underwater. Are you excited? If you have a pool on your backyard, you can go do that. If you don't, it's okay because you can do gymnastics.
You have to wash it.
Wash it, inalublob na. Ilan na ba yun? 5?
So guys, I'm gonna put on a lot of goggles on. Mommy, Lola.
Aray ko, naipit.
How can you buckle this up?
Hmm. Aray ko, nalagay mo ba?
Yeah.
Teka, naipit yung aking ano. Aray ko. Okay. Teka, ano natin kasi masyadong mahaba na yun.